your girl Sandra here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you guys can tell by the title, it has finally arrived. It has finally gotten here. I got my Jeffree Star Christmas mystery box here for you guys to unbox. Obviously if you guys have been following social media, there was a lot of debacle going on when it came to the mystery boxes. Jeffree talked about it a little bit on his Snapchat and IG stories. So I wish I would have ordered the small box. I even looked at it, tempting myself to spend the money to buy both boxes so I could have gotten more product, but I didn't, and now I regret it. But anyways, I did get the middle box. So this is $60, I believe, is how much I spent on this, plus shipping and taxes, yada yada. But, so we did get 5 products in here in this box. I don't remember what the value is supposed to be, but I will put it here somewhere for you guys. I'm just too excited for this box because I have finally, once people started getting theirs, taking a sneak peek at what people were getting, because I'm curious if I got the same stuff as other people did, if it was kind of just like a uniform, if you ordered this box, everyone got the same thing. If you ordered the mini box, everyone got the same thing. If you ordered the biggest box, everyone got the same thing. So I'm just curious to know what I got in here and if I got some of the same stuff that other people were getting, and if so, I'm about to be so excited. So let's just go ahead and get into this video without further ado. But I want to remind you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got. So this is what the box looks like. It did get some green and red wrapping paper or stuffing paper in here, nothing special. Normally when Jeffree puts tissue paper inside of his boxes, it normally has his logo on it, but this was just kind of just thrown in here, I guess, as an extra precaution to see if, hopefully things didn't break. But go ahead and take this out and I can reuse this for my own gifts now. So seeing right on top, I did end up getting the stickers just like everyone else did. I know this was a disappointing thing to a lot of people because he's counting this as a product in your box. Obviously I am 30 years old and I don't really use stickers. He wanted people to have these really cool stickers to put onto your computer, or to put onto your hydro flask, or if you're a scrapbooker and you want to have really cool stickers, awesome. But as an adult, I really have no use for these. I might just go ahead and give them to my nieces. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I'm definitely just going to go ahead and set them aside. And I'm guessing this was counted, like I said, this was counted as a product in my box. But again, that is what they look like, so you guys can kind of see. They're really cute and cool, and I know the creator who customized these and made these, spent their hard time to do these, and I know Jeffree was really excited about them. So, but to us as a consumer, not so excited. If you're a younger girl, probably in your teen years, and you were getting this box, yeah, you'd be super excited. You can put this all over your journals, school stuff. People will see it. They'll be like, oh my god, these are so cool. But again, I'm an adult. I don't really need stickers. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that to the side. The next thing, I'm going to say the biggest item for last. The next item that we got in here is the special cosmetics item. So this is in the question mark. It has a stocking right there with question mark on it. So I'll put this down really quickly. And let's go ahead and open this. So this is one of the velour liquid lips. And it still just has a question mark on it, but it is this really beautiful red color. So this actually kind of reminds me of one of the colors I recently just got in one of my Jeffree Star unboxings. It was in the Halloween one where I got a color called Poinsettia, which almost looks exactly the same. So I'm curious to know if they're exactly the same because they both have a red shimmer reflect to them. Super duper pretty. Definitely love this. Let's go ahead and just put this on for a second and see what it looks like. Alright, so that is what the question mark lip looks like for you guys. It is a very beautiful red color. I'm not sure if it was as bright as Poinsettia is. Let me grab that one really quickly. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and they look so similar. It's ridiculous. So this is a Poinsettia, and then this is the question mark shade. Let's just go ahead and swatch those side by side. So the one I'm going to do right now on my hand is going to be the question mark shade. And then the one right below that is going to be Poinsettia. So that is what those both look like. For a second, I really thought we got duped here. But they both have like a shimmery reflect to them. I definitely think the question mark shade is just a shade darker than the Poinsettia one. But they literally could be so close. It's ridiculous, especially if you were just looking at the packaging. Like, that's kind of just nuts. If I asked you which one was which, would you really know? Would you know? So, let's just go ahead and keep going into this box. And we'll go ahead and set that to the side. Then the other item that we got in here is a liquid frost from when he launched the whole Blue Blood collection. I do have a few of his liquid frost back here. I do own, which this one is, Frozen Peach right here. And then I also own the other one that he released, which is Frostbite. So Frostbite I got in a mystery box, and Frozen Peach I ordered when he did the first release of his liquid frost. And so this one, to be on brand with the whole thing that's going on in this box and it being, you know, winter, we got the shade in Blue Balls. So this is what it looks like. This is very crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I definitely want to go ahead and put a little bit on my hand for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like as a highlighter. So there it is right there. I'm going to go ahead and rub that out just a little bit. And that is what it looks like. It's super duper pretty. I mean, it's not, I don't know how I would use this, to be honest. Maybe as like an eye topper, maybe for like eyeshadow as a base or something like that. I don't know. Maybe if I was doing like some type of holiday festive makeup, I might use it. So I'll figure it out what to do with it. Alright, the last item we have in this box is the biggest item. It's the biggest item in this box, and I'm so excited that I got this. So if you guys can't tell, what do you think it is? It's a palette. It's a palette. And I already know which palette it is because I was able to do a little sneak peek, and you can see it on the side. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Blue Blood palette. I actually own the Blood Sugar palette already, and I actually really wanted to get this when it launched, but I'm kind of afraid of blues, just to be honest, because blues are very daring, very daring. You have to be like a creator of makeup to really understand how to use blues, and sometimes blues can be like make someone look kind of cheap at the same time too, if you don't do it right. So, but this is the lovely, beautiful Blue Blood palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's so stunning. I want to play with it so much and just figure out how to use it, because I know blues would really complement, you know, my brown eyes, and I know they do. Brown eyes are normally complemented, I think, by like blue and purples and greens. So I definitely want to go ahead and give this a go. That shade looks beautiful. That shade looks so pretty. And I know I could probably figure out something to do with this palette and be very creative about it. So yeah, that is what the palette looks like. I'm actually really excited that I got this again. I can't say that enough, because I was going to buy this off of one of my friends, but I decided not to. Just because I haven't even played with the Blood Sugar palette enough to even feel like it was justifiable to buy another Jeffree Star palette and not have used it. So yeah, there is this palette in here. So far we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 products, and the last product that is in here, and the last product that's in here, let me grab it, is another. I'm not that daring for it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, if you've gotten to the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and give this away to one of you guys who are my amazing subscribers. I'm not going to put it in the title because I feel like people fish around when they see hashtag giveaway or something like that, whatever, when they can see in there and people only subscribe for a moment, and if they don't win then they unsubscribe. That's not, I don't think that's fair that people are doing that just trying to win something and they unsubscribe. If you really like someone, you really like following them, you like the content they're giving, then subscribe to them and stay loyal. And I think that's all any creator is looking for when it comes to, you know, a following, when it comes to their creativity and what they're doing when it comes to their content. So again, I'm going to go ahead and give this away. This is Queen Supreme and Jeffree Star's liquid, velour liquid lipstick. So if you guys want to learn how to win this, just go ahead and look for the descriptions down below if you've already been entered in some of my other giveaways. I love you guys so much. So I do have another giveaway that's going on. I'll list it right here for you guys. It's to win a Morphe palette because I just did another unboxing of the Morphe surprise box. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go check it out. Give that video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. So that is everything we got in our box, guys. That's everything. So for $60, we definitely got our value. I mean, this palette alone already is, I think it's $52. And then a normal velour liquid lip, I believe, is $18. So we got 2 of those. And then plus we also got the liquid frost. The stickers don't count. So technically we got 4 things. The stickers are supposed to be 5. Whatever. I'll figure out what to do with those. But yeah, that's everything we got in this box, ladies and gentlemen. So I love you guys so much. Again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss another video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.